Raiz Invest has become one of the simplest ways to grow wealth through automated investing, but getting the best results depends on using the right strategy. The core approach begins with understanding how Raiz allocates your money across ETFs and how to optimize those allocations based on long-term performance patterns rather than emotion or guesswork. The strongest strategy for most investors centers on consistency. Raiz performs best when small, steady contributions compound over time. Setting an automatic daily or weekly investment, even if it's just a few dollars, ensures continuous growth without relying on timing the market. This creates predictable dollar-cost averaging, reducing the impact of market volatility and smoothing out long-term returns. Another essential part of the strategy is selecting the correct portfolio. Raiz offers conservative, moderately aggressive, and aggressive options, but the portfolio that historically delivers the highest long-term gains is the aggressive option because it holds a larger percentage of equities. If your time horizon is more than 5 years, this portfolio provides stronger exposure to global markets and higher compounding potential. For shorter horizons, moderately aggressive balances growth and stability while still outperforming conservative mixes. Raiz rewards users who combine roundups with recurring investments. Activating roundups ensures that every purchase contributes to your investment balance, creating continuous microgrowth. Linking cashback from Raiz rewards further boosts contributions without requiring extra spending. To maximize returns, avoid constantly changing portfolios. Each switch forces a sell and buy process that may lock in losses during market dips. Staying committed to one strategy allows compounding to work uninterrupted. The final pillar is discipline. Raiz is most effective when withdrawals are minimized. Treat your Raiz balance as a long-term wealth-building tool, allowing market cycles to play out naturally. Over months and years, steady contributions, a growth-focused portfolio, and consistent compounding combine into a powerful investment engine. This is the best Raiz Invest strategy for long-term, reliable growth.